3 rounds, 3 sounds. Get ready. Guess the sound. Round 1. Is it A. Blender, B. Chainsaw, or C. Dryer? A. Blender, B. Chainsaw, C. Dryer. 3, 2, 1. It's a blender. Let's go again. Round 2. A. Shaver, B. Electric toothbrush, or C. Fan? A. Shaver, B. Toothbrush, C. Fan. 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, toothbrush. Final round. Round 3. A. Keyboard, B. Popcorn, or C. Tap dance? A. Keyboard, B. Popcorn, C. Tap dance. 3, 2, 1. It's a keyboard. Did you get 3-3? Comment your score below and tag a friend to challenge them. How many did you get right?